Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by aligning essentials so searches return relevant openings. Upload a keyword-optimized resume. Google will match terms to job listings. Once done, set your location and language in Google account settings so results reflect nearby roles. Make a short list of 3 target roles and the exact skills each requires. This reduces noise and speeds action. Then open Google Jobs or search directly with role plus city. Immediately filter by date and type to see active, timely opportunities. You now refine and act on results. Use quotes for exact titles and add plus to require terms, for example, product manager plus analytics. Once refined, apply filters for remote, full-time, or date posted to focus on current openings. Make sure to read job descriptions and copy key phrases into your resume before applying. This increases algorithmic matches. Save the search and enable alerts so new listings hit your inbox. If an application requires a form, complete it immediately and attach the tailored resume. You finish the process by tracking and following up. Enter each application into a sheet with company, role, date applied, and next action. This prevents duplicates and keeps momentum. Once done, follow up in 7 to 10 days with a short, polite email reiterating interest and one achievement tied to the role. If you get few matches, troubleshoot. Clear filters, broaden keywords, or remove strict location settings. Make sure your resume combines the exact job terms. Otherwise, rework keywords and rerun searches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.